Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't go to voicemail. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I have absolutely no idea why my voicemail isn't working. I've set up voicemail, but when I miss a call, the caller can't leave a message. My phone just keeps ringing until the other person hangs up. Any solutions would be greatly appreciated. We understand you might be facing the same problems. Don't panic if your Android phone isn't working with voicemail. To help, we'll explain why and how to fix the issue and get your device working again. Cause 1. Simple software glitch. The solution is to restart your Android phone. Restarting your Android phone can often quickly and easily solve many problems. If your Android phone isn't working with voicemail, you can try restarting it. Here are the steps to restart. Press and hold the power button until the power reboot screen appears. Then tap the reboot icon or button. Your Android phone will then restart back to the home screen. Alternatively, you can find the power icon or button on the reboot screen. Turn off your Android phone. Wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a simple software glitch, restarting your phone should help. Finally, try restarting your Android phone again to see if the problem of not being able to access voicemail persists. Cause 2. Poor signal. The solution is to check your network. Voicemail requires a stable network connection. If you are in an area with a poor signal, this could be one of the reasons why Android won't send calls to voicemail. Therefore, please check your signal and network connection. Cause 3. Outdated software. The solution is to update your software. If you can't connect to voicemail on your Android phone, you can also check for software updates. Outdated software can also cause this problem. Therefore, you can try checking for software updates. Before updating, please ensure your Android phone has a full battery and a stable network connection. Next, try the following steps to check for software updates. Open Settings, then scroll down to find and tap the System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download it. Try downloading and updating the software immediately. After downloading the update, follow the on-screen instructions. Your Android phone will then power off and restart. Finally, check if the can't access voicemail on Android phone problem persists. Cause 4. Problem not found. The solution is to perform a factory reset. If the above steps fail to resolve the calls are not going to voicemail on iPhone issue, as a last resort, you can only hope to perform a factory reset. However, before starting, please be sure to back up the data on your Android phone. Otherwise, all data on your Android phone will be lost. Please follow these steps to perform a factory reset. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates. Select Reset on the new screen, and finally select Reset Phone. After the reset is complete, your Android device may require you to reactivate the phone. Please follow the prompts. After all is completed, the Android phone is not diverting to voicemail. Problem should be resolved. Cause 5. Carrier issue. The solution is to contact your carrier. If you have tried the above steps but still need help, it may be a problem with your carrier that is causing the calls are not going to voicemail on Android phone issue. You need to contact your carrier to tell them the problem and see if they have a solution. You can also turn off the voicemail function for a while and then turn it back on to see if it returns to normal. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix voicemail not working on Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.